In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving messages and video calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp application and then right here tap Add Settings icon. Unfortunately, on WhatsApp there are no exact option to stop getting messages and video calls from unknown numbers, but there are a couple of simple tricks that you can use to reduce receiving spam messages and video calls. The first thing that you can do is hit Add Accounts, then tap Add Privacy, and right here tap Add Last Seen, and there all you have to do is set your last seen status to nobody, so from now nobody will be able to see if you are actually online now or you are active now, so it can stop spammers from sending you messages or video calls. Also from here you can tap Add Groups and then set this option to only my contacts. So now just your contacts are able to add you in any groups, and that can prevent adding you to some kind of spam group. Also, you can go out of here and then you can hit right here Add Chats icon, and if some specific person is bothering you, you can always open up conversation with that person, then tap at that person's name at the top, then scroll down to the very bottom, and right here you can tap at block and then confirm it to block messages and video calls from that specific person. That's all about how to stop receiving spam messages and video calls on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.